All right, guys, man, I'm so freaking excited. The short squeeze is going to happen. And it's starting to look pretty good right now. We talked about this. MMTLP is on the rise and going to be in demand. And it's going to be a real exciting video. So I hope you all enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let's get to it. MMTLP up over 13% today. Let's go. Ended at $1.80. Average volume 287,000. We traded over 312,000. MMAT was up 2.35% during the regular hours. Average volume 4.1 million. We traded about 3 million. Okay. So I want to get to it here. First order of business, John Berta comes out with this tweet. I retweeted it. Let's go. And here is the tweet. 911 informed metamaterials to test groundbreaking optoelectronics image solution. And here is the article on AccessWire. Very exciting stuff, guys. Just wanted to bring you this update here. As you know, John Berta, former CEO of Torchlight, as part of this 911 Inform. And of course, he would want his business to work with metamaterials if we could help out in any way. And that's fantastic. So that's the first order of business. We got so much information in this video. Twitter was just on fire today. Ali here shared this part out of the S1. We're going to touch base on that here in a second. Here you can see metamaterials posted today. Here's everyone at the booth looking pretty good right there. You got Mr. George there. Real exciting times here for metamaterials, guys, and MMTLP. Another picture here at the booth there. More metamaterials. Like I said, the tweets are just going off the hook. Trading Secrets Ali here shared. It's not a full approval yet, but it's getting very close. Hopefully we'll have the approval in a few more days. So here it is. It was another amendment here on 10.5. George here does this tweet. Happy to report that our team has been working on the SEC feedback. Let me get it there. And the S1 has been updated and submitted today. Please check for further details in the published filing. So there we go. George out there getting it done. That's what I'm saying. He's getting it done. In George we trust. Love it. We retweeted that one as well. All right. This is a very interesting one here. First, I want to cover Tony's post, and then we'll go down and cover what Trading Secrets had to add to this as well. So here's Tony Market Moves. Nextbridge Hydrocarbons S1 amend to mentions MMTLP. If any investors have sold shares of MMTLP short, they may feel compelled to buy to cover. Relatively low supply of MMTLP shares available. MMTLP price per share may rise significantly. This here is pretty amazing. So we're going to cover this. You see, has it highlighted down there. And here you can see everything on here. So down here he has highlighted. In particular, if any investors have sold shares of MMTLP short, then in connection with the distribution, such investors may feel compelled to buy shares of MMTLP to cover such shares before the distribution. If this were to occur, given the potential high demand from buyers with relatively low supply of MMTL shares available for sale on the OTC market, the MMTL price per share as shown on the OTC market may rise significantly. Guys, this is like one of the first times that we've had any kind of acknowledgement in this here. It seems like, it feels like that they're acknowledging MMTLP. So that is fantastic that this is in the S1 acknowledging MMTLP. I love it. Because a lot of people out there are debating about if you have MMTLP, you're not a legacy torch holder, you won't get the dividend. Guys, we had John Berta clear that up. So take that FUD somewhere else. This here says it too. MMTLP, you're going to get it. If you sold it short, you better cover. You better cover. All right, and then Ali has this down here. In addition, we may consider strategic options, including partnering with or possible sale of any of our assets to third parties. And here is the quote Ali got. Right there it is. Texas Limited Liability Company, Hudspeth Operating, Texas Limited Liability Company. In addition, we may consider strategic options, including partnering with or possible sale of any or all of our assets to third parties. We currently have 6 full-time employees. We employ consultants for various roles as needed. Guys, I just feel, this is just me speculating, but I feel it's going to be a sale. That's what it's going to be. We dug into the Nextbridge, people before, and they like to sell company. They like to sell. They don't want to sit there and get production. They want to do enough to get the sale, improve the oil and gas, but they want to get the sale. That's what they want, and that's what we're hoping to get, because we want to get this resolved. We got C-Plan out here, and kind of funny, but we had to bring this back. Torch to shorts, man. It is happening. I just have that feeling it's happening. Also, here you can see, boom, this was the groundbreaking news. So 911 Inform, which is like John Berta is a part of this. 911 Inform announced today that it has entered into a memorandum of understanding with MetaMaterials Inc. 911 Inform security data platform and Meta's proprietary optoelectronics imaging technology will allow first responders to have better situational awareness. Guys, that is freaking fantastic. Not only we're helping out for first responders, like that is awesome. That's exactly what we want to do. Help out first responders. This here is amazing. I'm just so excited of all this news today. All right, guys, and here we are on the SEC filing itself, and there's a couple parts on here I wanted to share with you guys. And here it shows the price per share of MetaMaterials A preferred stock traded over the counter OTC market under the symbol MMTLP may not accurately reflect the value of shares of our common stock that you will receive in distribution. Before the distribution, MetaMaterials preferred stock trade on the OTC under the trading symbol MMTLP, although such shares MMT were not eligible for broker-dealer quotations, the OTC. All right, so there's a awesome spot down here in this SEC filing that got people very excited, and let's go over it. And additionally, securities of certain companies that have recently experienced significant and extreme volatility in stock price due to short sellers of shares of securities known as a short squeeze. These short squeezes have caused extreme volatility in both the stock prices of those companies and in the market, and have led to those companies' securities to trade at a significantly inflated price per share that is disconnected from the underlying value of the company. In particular, if any investors have sold shares short of MMTLP in connection with the distribution, such investors may feel compelled to buy shares of MMTLP. So there it is, guys. That is what we want to talk about. Them basically warning those shorties, warning them hedgies. You sell us short, you may get caught. And that's what's going to happen here, man, because we're starting to see a little bit of it today. A little bit of volume stepped in, and they know this got, out here, and now we're waiting on the SEC to give us that official approval. And once we go back and look at this file, it'll have those dates plugged in there. So like I said, real exciting stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.